Did you know that plants are susceptible to a wide variety of diseases? These compose a major threat to global agriculture. Many important plant species that we enjoy are at risk of these diseases, such as olive, grapevine, citrus, and banana. Diseases in commercial plantations can have massive economic impacts, but can also be devastating for global food security and people's livelihoods. A particularly concerning example is the bacterium Xylella fastidiosa. This bacterium can infect over 500 plant species, most importantly, olive groves. The bacteria is transmitted by sap-sucking insects and blocks water distribution in the plant, slowly killing it. There is no known cure for the disease. The disease is currently decimating the olive growing industry in southern Italy and is threatening to spread further across the Mediterranean and globally. Recent projections have indicated that losses in Spain, Greece, and Italy could exceed 24 billion euros in the next 50 years if the spread of the disease is not contained and controlled. Helping farmers detect and contain Xylella early will help prevent spread and further losses.
With lots of plant pathogens, including Xylella, the key to control is early detection. We need to find sick plants quickly and remove them before they can infect others. So, just like with COVID-19, an effective surveillance program that monitors plants for Xylella infection is critical. But how can we make sure that we will find sick plants early enough to prevent large-scale infection? How do we know how many trees we should check, how often we should do so, or whether the economic benefits of early detection will outweigh the costs of monitoring? This is how maths can help us. Testing out surveillance strategies experimentally isn't feasible because we can't just take a real plantation, infect it with something, and see what happens. Instead, we can use maths to build computational models that simulate the spread of disease through a virtual plant population. This theoretical approach allows us to test out lots of different surveillance strategies and see which one works best. One of the major difficulties in achieving early detection is that olive trees infected with Xylella fastidiosa can be infectious for a long time before they develop any visible symptoms. This means they could be silently spreading the disease while not outwardly showing any signs of being sick. An exciting possible solution that we're using our theoretical approach to explore is to intercrop what we call sentinel plants amongst our olive trees. The idea is that these sentinel plants are chosen to be species that show symptoms very quickly and can therefore act as early warning beacons for infection. The sentinel plants are the canaries in the proverbial coal mines, alerting us to the presence of disease a lot sooner than we might otherwise find it. By exploring the use of sentinel plants for surveillance mathematically and computationally, we could potentially help to significantly improve surveillance for dangerous plant pathogens like Xylella fastidiosa.